The first stage of the purification process begins as the molecules undergo column chromatography. From here, the molecules are pooled and treated in a solvent detergent step, designed to purify by inactivating potential viruses. Now, the molecules move onward to something unique. Wyeth replaces the murine monoclonal antibody with a synthetic ligand in its affinity chromatography step. The synthetic affinity ligand is a patented 27 amino acid polypeptide that selectively binds to the recombinant factor 8 molecules so they can be cleansed. The synthetic ligand is designed to eliminate the potential risk of murine viral contamination. Upon being released from the synthetic ligand, the highly purified molecules proceed to additional steps of purification, followed by another step called nanofiltration, a process in which the molecules are passed through a tiny 35 nanometer pore-size filter.